Now, investigation into the June 12th Air India Ahmedabad plane crash has revealed some shocking details. And according to the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, the black box stopped recording just before the fatal incident. In fact, AAIB has now reported that the last 10 minutes data was not even found in the black box. And this unexpected development could complicate efforts now to determine the exact cause of the crash, and it also raises serious concerns about data loss in such critical moments. Now, according to the initial report, viewers, the last emergency mayday call from the pilot came at about 1:39:05 p.m. And just seconds later at 1:39:11 p.m., the aircraft crash landed. So shockingly, this is also the exact time when the black box recording stopped. And this is very unusual because the black box is supposed to continue recording through a separate power backup system known as the RIPS, even after a crash, as per international aviation rules. So this is now certainly shocking development that has now come to light, saying that the black box did not record for the last 10 minutes. In fact, no data has been found in the black box. And this could now complicate efforts in the ongoing investigation to understand that what was the cause behind this fatal crash. Remember, 241 people on board were killed in the attack. And now shocking developments are coming to light amid the ongoing investigation. According to Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, the black box of this very aircraft stopped recording just minutes before the fatal crash. In fact, according to AAIB, the last 10 minutes data was not even found in the black box. And let's also get you the details of the timeline of this event. Now, according to the report, the last emergency mayday call from the pilot came about at 1:39:05 p.m. and just 6 seconds later at 1:39:11 p.m. the aircraft crash landed. And shockingly, this is also the exact time when the black box recording stopped. So this essentially will now complicate efforts to find out what was it that caused the fatal crash. Remember, the investigation is still ongoing.